Easy as a breeze, unraveling English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and picturesque phrase, easy as a breeze. This idiom is a gem in English conversations, and understanding it will not only enhance your vocabulary but also give you insight into the culture and creativity embedded in the language. So, let's set sail and find out why some tasks are as easy as a breeze. The phrase, easy as a breeze, is used to describe something that is very easy to do, requiring little to no effort. Imagine a gentle breeze on a sunny day. It flows smoothly and effortlessly. Similarly, when we say a task is easy as a breeze, we mean that it is straightforward and simple, just like the natural and effortless flow of a breeze. This idiom is often used to reassure someone that a task is not as difficult as it might seem at first glance. While the exact origins of easy as a breeze are a bit hazy, idioms involving natural elements like wind, water, and earth are common in many languages and cultures. They draw on the universal human experience of interacting with nature to convey feelings or describe situations. The use of breeze in this phrase evokes a sense of calm and ease, making it a perfect metaphor for tasks that are uncomplicated and smooth. To help you grasp how to use this idiom, let's look at a few examples. Don't worry about setting up the software, it's easy as a breeze. I thought the exam would be difficult, but it was easy as a breeze. Learning to ride a bike is easy as a breeze once you get the hang of it. Notice how the phrase can be used in various contexts, from everyday tasks to more specific challenges. It's a versatile idiom that adds color and imagery to the language. English is rich with idioms that convey the ease of doing something. Here are a few similar expressions. Piece of cake, walk in the park, a breeze. Each of these expressions can be used interchangeably with easy as a breeze, depending on the context and your preference for imagery. And there you have it, folks. The phrase, easy as a breeze, is a delightful way to express the simplicity and ease of a task. It's a testament to the beauty and creativity of the English language, drawing on the serene imagery of nature to convey meaning. We hope this video has been an easy as a breeze experience for you and that you're now more confident in using this idiom in your conversations. Stay tuned for more insights into English language learning, and remember, practice makes perfect. See you in the next video.